Hello everyone, I am Kaushlendra Singh Sisodia from the IoT Academy. Welcome to our chat series with subject matter experts. Nowadays there is a huge buzz around cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. Today we are fortunate enough to have Mr. Manbhawan Prasad as a resource person. He is working as a program manager at Microsoft in Ireland. He is IIT Guwahati alumni, having 21 years industry experience and vast knowledge in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and blockchain technology. Today, we would be discussing about the history of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, what is the motivation, why they are getting so popular, what are the security aspects, what is the take by different countries' government about it, and what should be the guidelines that we should follow while dealing with cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. So we would like to welcome Mr. Manbhawan Prasad to share his valuable knowledge with all of us. Manbhawan Prasad, how are you today?
Hello, Kausal. Nice to meet you. I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, okay, thanks. So, welcome to our subject matter expert series. So, today we would be discussing about the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, in which you are having very expert opinions. So, we would start with the question: what is cryptocurrency, in particular Bitcoin?
That's a good question to start with. Though it's a very difficult topic to deal with. So I will try to be crisp and simple here. Before we go into Bitcoin, I think we should understand the money and how monetary system works today, right? So there are two primary things money enables, or you can say there are two primary functions of money. The first one is exchange of value. That means that you should be able to use money to in exchange of any product or services, right?
Yes.
And everybody should accept your money in that exchange. So exchange of value, right? Second function is store of value, which means let's say that right now you are capable of working and you work very hard, um, and of course you create value after working, in terms of money. Some value is you spend in food and other things, and some value you want to store for future, so that
Right.
when you are not capable after retirement, then you should be able to buy similar amount of effort from somebody else,
Okay. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That's store of value. One
Hmm.
example can be that let's say that you want to buy a house after
Okay.
5 years, and
Mhm.
house that you want to buy costs 50 lakhs today. And
Right.
to buy that you need to, of course, store save money for deposit, which is
Hmm.
normally 20%, which
Right.
means you need to save 10 lakhs in next
Right.
5 years.
Mm.
So you work hard, you save 10 lakhs in next 10 years, right? And
Yeah.
you are ready to buy the house. What happens then?
Yeah.
Suddenly you
So,
realize that that 50 lakh house is now costing 70 lakhs,
correct. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
right?
Mm.
Yeah, which
Yes.
means money has not stored the value
Correct. Yeah, you're
over
right. Yeah.
time,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It has
So basic.
devalued.
Yeah. Yeah. So because of the inflation and other things, it has devalued. Yeah.
Correct.
Now we want to understand what is the history of Bitcoin and why it is so popular nowadays. Everybody is talking about it.
Yeah, that's a good question. So Bitcoin, started in 2009 when this 2008, 2009 economy crash happened, right? Where
Okay.
government started printing money and bailing out big banks and big companies. At that time, the birth of Bitcoin happened, uh,
Okay.
just to counter and produce a new kind of money where inflation is predictable, where
Okay.
supply is predictable,
Hmm.
right? So that's the main reason why Bitcoin got created, and why it is popular is because it's solving age-old problem of monetary system.
Okay.
It's if you go into deep into it, it's just like gold. People call it digital gold. But it has properties of new currencies as well. It can be
Mhm.
transferred easily, it is divisible, it works globally, no country controls it. So it's not like there is Indian Bitcoin and there is American Bitcoin. Bitcoin is same everywhere, just like gold was same everywhere, right?
Okay.
So it, it,
Hmm.
it solved age old problem, and that is why it became very popular in some of the intelligent people who could think through uh, and who understood monetary system. And once it became popular among those people, and prices started increasing, lot of traders came into the market,
Okay.
to make quick money, and they
Right.
made much more popular. They made it much more popular, and then plethora of developers came to create new kind of crypto, coins, and now there are thousands of them. But nobody is solving the money problem. They are solving some other problem like decentralized finance, and other aspects of it. And mostly other coins are even scam coins where they are just there to make money. They just create coin to make money.
Right.
So it's super popular right now, but I would say that people should be cautious um, about where to invest. So
Okay.
first read it, study it, and then invest it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And quickly, could you please tell the other cryptocurrency names also, and which countries are like pushing them? So can we say that some it is originated by some particular country?
No specific country is behind any crypto project. Yeah, different
Okay.
countries are now talking about central bank digital currencies. Like China has rolled its central bank digital currency, but those are not centralized. Those are just digital form of earlier centralized money. So there is no difference, just that it has become digital. That's the only thing. So the whole crypto space, can be divided into three main category. The first one
Okay.
is the coins which are solving the monetary system problem.
Okay. Hmm.
And the Bitcoin is the only one which comes close to it,
Okay.
which has potential to become global money. Yeah,
Okay.
global
Hmm.
global monetary system.
Right. Right.
Then there are other platforms like Ethereum, Binance, Polkadot, Cardano. These platforms provides developers to create blockchain applications
Okay.
called decentralized apps or decentralized finance app or DAO. There are many types of projects which can
Okay.
get created
Hmm.
on those platforms. You can understand that as a developer platform, right?
Okay.
And
Uh-huh.
they have their own token which you need to spend to run your program on
Okay.
Ethereum blockchain. That is called
Okay.
ETH for Ethereum. Then there is DOT for Polkadot, BNB for Binance, and etc. There are many such things.
Okay.
And then the third category is those projects which are being built on these platforms, right?
Uh-huh.
And those
Right.
projects also has their own native tokens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So these are the three main categories which
Okay.
exist.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay. Thanks. So, as you mentioned that the underneath technology is blockchain behind Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. So, we at the IoT Academy, we are giving training in multiple cutting edge technology like Internet of Things, machine learning, data science, 5G, and we have collaboration with multiple ENICT academies at different IITs. So, what would you say that should we include blockchain also in our offerings?
Absolutely, without any doubt. I would say it will be help to new generation if you can do that. because a lot of these new generation people, they are being lured by scamster right now. Rather than that, if they really study this, they will make much better choices, not only for their investment but even for their career. So absolutely yes.
Thank you, Manbhawan, for your valuable time from your busy schedule for explaining these complex concepts of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in a very simpler ways. So I hope that our audiences would have benefited with the explanation you have provided, and even I have gained a lot of knowledge. So thank you again, Manbhawan. To you.
It has been a pleasure. Thanks, Kausal.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks.